All right, hey guys, welcome to another episode of this series where I'm building a mobile framework, or let me say UI framework for mobile devices, trying to create like a template, more like a documentation, a plan. A lot of things that work. So for the first one, like the avatar works, you could see we have like the buttons that work also, different variants, different um in terms of. So what I was talking about is I want to use this to build something, right? So if I go back to the old Radix system, all the layout here, as I mentioned yesterday, all the typography work also been defined here, the keyboard here, strong, blah blah blah. Then we also have the layout that works. This layout and these are my two consistent creating this mobile framework for mobile devices. That's like my reason. That's it. And I can say very much for the fact that those two things work. So it becomes like a perfect framework. But the two things that I really wanted are the layout and those works. And you can see the contrast color. A simple application that looks more like I don't know. Let's just think of something 3D and I just wanted to explore, not like plan anything. So I'm just going to try building. This is not the component that exists. Let's just build something, right? That's the idea here. All of this. one that we are using for revenue. We'll create this on the on switch pages. So I'm going to create one. I'm going to call it YouTube. Just going to call it YouTube, right? So I'll call it YouTube and I'll create like an index layout. Then I'm going to create from the layout, I'm going to create an index, right? So the layout is going to be one layout, which is basically just basic, simple stuff like this. I'm just going to copy and paste it. I'm going to copy layouts. That nothing too crazy. Then the next one is the index. The index is just going to be the same thing as what I have. Okay, no, we have this. So it has to be something else entirely. Okay, fine. I'm going to go with this. I'm just going to copy the all it because we're going to need all of them also. But maybe not all of them, but the ones we need. So export default function. Then this is going to be YouTube demo, something like this. I think I have a bit of the cool the network misbehaving. Oh, okay. No. So that's so the next thing we have here is the so now let me just go into demo and I will just return I'm just going to return a view perhaps it doesn't have to be the view. I'm just going to return something from here. So theme provider or the scroll view and the theme provider here. This I'm going to close them and that's it. We're done. So the team provider already exists, which you've imported a child, that's why it's complaining, or needs children. So what we're trying to create is application, something simple like a profile page. Call it a profile page, right? Let's call it a profile page. Profile page looks similar to our, let's say you want to create something similar, you have it on Twitter, but the basic version of it. So how is we need um, the avatar. So first thing I need is I'm going to copy the avatar I have from here as a component because I created this one too. So I'm going to have pattern like this. I'm going for the big size, which is let's say about 8 like this. I'm going to paste it in. If I do that, I'm going to go back to the layout, YouTube, the default. So if I refresh this, I should the defaults. Uh, why? Am I the default? So this is better shown. Blah, blah. Uh, layout is this, and index is this. So what's the problem? All right, I'm coming. Just trying to check why this is not using the. Okay, I'll just click this myself. Too many files. So let me go to the demo to see what I have. So here I have. That's not what I wanted to show. So I want the YouTube to be the main thing I see, right? So which is YouTube here, which is which is correct. So if I uh, just love these things. I don't Okay. Right. So let's see what they'll implement it. There's some of them that I'm missing from because the demo page is a page and it works by using Dexter. And that literally works. And default function this and to default function this. So I'm looking at why this is not being displayed, even though I'm linking it properly from the layout. Remove the demo. Hmm. Offline mode. Am I definitely not offline? Am I? Is that probably why I'm not seeing? This is strange. I think I still have issues with my network and why this is behaving this way. It has nothing to do with my network actually. Okay, fine. I'm going to the YouTube. And I add this here. I'm going to call it a different name. I'm going to call it a YouTube or something. Probably the name. I haven't experienced this before, but I might be wrong. I might be right. It might just be the reason to how it's speaking the stack and stuff. But that shouldn't be a problem. It's, yeah, I know. All right, so let's go back to this. I'm going to call this. Now I have this here. And the next thing I have here is the text. And the text here, I just say, let me just say something like, all right, let me do this. Um, uh, one at, so what again? Yeah, something like this, right? So that's the popular and like this. So let's say I add the color of gray just to make it slight color, not too crazy. Then I increase the size from 4 to 3 just to reduce it. Currently, this is what I have, and I could just have this. Two is fine, but I would like four. Okay, so I'll add it to it.